Good morning everyone. Good morning all of you. I am sharing my screen. If the screen is visible to you, then leave a message in your chat box. The screen is visible to you everyone. That's good, that's good. Okay, I am waiting for some other students. Just wait a minute, then I will start today's class. Clear? So basically today I will discuss worksheet 1 from your chapter number 3 MS Excel. Clear? So today I will discuss only worksheet 1 chapter number 3 MS Excel. Clear everyone? And I will also giving you the questions and answers in your chat sections. Clear? After discussing the questions and answers. Clear? Don't worry about it. Okay, so first question, worksheet 1 chapter number 3 MS Excel. Clear? Fill in the blanks. First one, spreadsheets have unique ability to calculate values using dash. Spreadsheet means MS Excel, you know that very well, have unique ability to calculate values using some formulas. That means mathematical formulas. So the answer is mathematical formulas. So the answer is mathematical formulas. Next one. Next question, a group of cell is known as. When you combine a group of cells, the group of cell is basically known as cell range. So the answer is cell range. Next one, by default numbers are dash aligned in a cell. By default numbers are right aligned in a cell. Clear? So the answer is right, RIGHT. Clear? By default numbers are aligned, basically right alignment are there. Next one. Question number 4, dash can arrange numbers in descending order. Dash can arrange numbers in descending order. The option is there, sorting. The answer is sorting. Sorting can arrange numbers in descending order. Clear? So here is 4 question. First one, spreadsheet have unique ability to calculate values using mathematical formulas. A group of cell is known as cell range. By default numbers are aligned in a cell right alignment. Dash can arrange numbers in descending order, sorting. Clear? 4 questions are completed. Next one. Next one is for state whether it is true or false. Clear? Next one is true or false round. So true or false. First one, insertion of a row and a column is called a cell. We know that very well. If we insert a row or a column, is called a cell or not? Obviously is called a cell. You know that very well. So it is true. Clear? So the answer is true. Next one, name box displays cell range. Name box displays cell range? No. So the answer is false. Next, formula bar displays address of an active cell. Formula bar not displays the address of a particular actual address or the parameter address of a active cell. Next one, false. We can add new worksheet to an Excel document. We know that very well. We can easily add new worksheets or more than one worksheets or more or many number of worksheets in MS Excel document. You know that very well. So the answer is true. Next, multiple choice questions. First one, plotting charts. The first one, multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. First question, plotting of charts and graphs in MS Excel file help in. First one is visual analysis, second one is security, second one is calculation, third one is security, and the fourth one is none of these. Plotting of charts and graphs in Excel file help in basically visual analysis. With the help of charts and graphs, we can easily analyze the visual analysis of a particular table or a value. Clear? With the help of table or a particular value, we can easily create or plot a particular chart or a graph. We know that very well. So when we plot a chart or a graph in Excel file, it is basically help in visual analysis. So the answer is the answer number 1 or option number 1. The answer is visual analysis. Clear? Next one, name box displays the address of. Name box basically displays the address of active cell. Clear? The answer is basically active cell, but here is title name box is basically displays active cell. Normal name box displays the address of a particular column. Clear? This is the actual concept for MS 2010, basically MS Office 2010. Clear? So the answer is option number 2, that means column. Clear? So the answer is option number 2, that means column. Next one, it displays text in multiple lines. We know that if we want to write a text in multiple lines or more than one lines, clear, then we can easily use a feature to display more than one line text in a single cell, that means single lines or a single cells. So it displays text in multiple lines with the help of wrap text. If you wrap a text, that means more than one lines or more than one text will be wrapped together. Clear? So the answer is wrap text. Question number 3, answer is wrap text. Clear? Next question, write the following questions. First one, next question is, what is active cell? What is active cell? Answer is that this is the current selected cell. Clear? Active cell means those cells which you want to select or which you have been already selected those cells. So this is the current selected cell is known as active cell. Next one, how is merge and center command useful? How merge and center command useful? This feature, answer is that this feature of Excel combines many cells to form a big large cell and places the text in the center. Clear? So the answer is, how merge and center command useful? Because of this feature of MS Excel combines many cells to form a big large cell and places the text in the center. Clear? Next one, how can we perform calculations in MS Excel? In Excel, we can add, subtract, multiply or divide numbers by using formula or functions. You know that a formula consists of a combination of cell references, numbers, operators and Excel functions. Clear? So how can we perform calculations in MS Excel? If we want to perform calculation in MS Excel, in Excel we can easily add, subtract, multiply or divide numbers by using formula or functions. Clear? A formula consists of a combination of cell references, numbers, operators and Excel functions also. Clear? This is the worksheet 1 completed, worksheet 1 of chapter number 3, that means MS Excel. Clear? Again I am repeating this, spreadsheet have unique ability to calculate values using mathematical formulas. A group of cell is known as cell range. By default, numbers are dash aligned in a cell, right aligned. Dash can arrange numbers in descending order, sorting. Insertion of a row and a column is called cell. Is it true or false? True. Name box displays the cell range. False. Formula bar displays the address of an active cell. False. We can add new worksheet to an Excel document. Yes, it is true. Multiple choice question. Plotting of charts and graphs in MS Excel file help in first option is visual analysis, second one is calculation, third one is security and the last one is none of these. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is visual analysis. Next, name box displays the address of row, column, active cell and range. Which one is the correct? Column. And title name box is if the question is title name box displays the address of active cell. Normal name box basically in MS Excel 2010 is column. Next one, it displays text in multiple lines, ribbon, autofill, wrap text, margin center. Which one is the correct? Wrap text. Clear? Next, what is an active cell? This is the current selected cell. This is called active cell. How is margin center command useful? This feature of MS Excel combines many cells to form a big large cell and places the text in the center. Clear? Next one, how we can perform calculation in MS Excel? In Excel we can add, subtract, multiply or divide numbers by using formula or functions. A formula consists of a combination of cell references, numbers, operators and Excel functions. Clear? If you have any doubt, then leave a message in your chat box. I am giving you all the questions and answers for your basically worksheet 1, chapter number 3 MS Excel. I am giving you the questions and answers in your chat section. Kindly check it. I am giving you all the questions and answers in your chat box. Kindly check it. All the questions and answers are in your chat box. Kindly check it and write down in your copy. Clear? For your future references. Clear? In my next class, I will proceeding the worksheet 2 of chapter number 3 MS Excel and practical representation of this particular MS Excel in details. Clear? In my next class, I will discuss the next portion of your chapter number 3 MS Excel and practical representation or the detailed representation of MS Excel with practical view. Clear everyone? If you have any doubt or any query, then leave a message in your chat box. Okay. Thank you everyone. Till then, goodbye.